Check, check. Check. That was loud. All right. What's this button do? Oh, that's pretty cool. Let me see. Does that look good? It'll probably look better right here. Much better. Yeah, it looks good right there. So, oh, there's more updates. Yay, more updates. Ubadate. I can barely read the text, but whatever. That's cool. All right, cool. Okay, so one thing that, all right, so let me do a small update just in case. So I have an old laptop here. Let me see if I can get the specs on it here first. Applications, if I go to system, utility. No, that's that. Text info. No, that's not it. It's right in front of me. System. Monitor? Maybe this will tell me the specs. Nope, this is task manager. Let's see. I can probably just, this will be a little slower, but it's fine. There is an option here. Let's close that. Back here. No, that's tile windows. Shortcut is workspaces. Settings. Probably be the best place to go. Let's see. About. So yeah, this is an older laptop. It's an i5 4200U. 6 gigs of RAM. And Intel 4400, which is fine. Again, with some of the things that you can do with Linux, this is more than fine. Yeah, you can change passwords, Bluetooth, no Bluetooth found, but I have Bluetooth installed. These are the things with wait, this thing does have Bluetooth. I don't remember now. Yeah, I've connected to my Wi-Fi. Yeah, there's a bunch. They've added some customizability to Pop OS here. Very nice. All right, just opening up my chat here. Yeah, update. Where? Firmware. Okay, so one of the things that you can do, and this is the perks of it, of having Linux. You can actually go in here and run commands. So, since this is Ubuntu, they have the apt package repo, the apt repo. So I'm just gonna do sudo apt update. Yoshi. Let's see. Upguard. So there is 15 upgradable. These are all Firefox stuff, and then 11 updates. So this is the part that I'm a little curious on. Wouldn't Package Manager grab that? Or the Pop Shop? I forgot what it's called now. Wouldn't the Pop Shop ask for that? I'm pretty sure you can customize it too. Updates. Yeah. Yeah, so that's fine. This is the Ubuntu mirror. Those resources. AXA. Yeah, so you can actually add more stuff to this, like the Pop Shop here. Pop OS applications, and then you want to add more FlatHub. What's FlatHub? Flatpak. Whatever. Also, there's actually updates I need to do. You see, there's this part of it, so I guess I just didn't hit it. Let me just do no. Bum 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 bum. Alright, so technically if I go here and I do this, update, and then upgrade, should be cleared. Be nothing to update. Yep. So that's exactly what it did. So that's pretty good. So we go here, Alright, so let's see. What do they have under accessories? Python. Cherry tree. Clock. System. Bionic Boink Manager? Calibrate touchscreen. That actually could be useful. CPUX. Deepen terminal. Dolphin. That's Dolphin File Manager. Fedora. Firewall. Firmware. Fondo. What's Fondo? Oh, wallpapers. Chicolo. Gnome. So here's the thing I was talking about the other day is that Gnome was like its own desktop UI, and there's a bunch of them, like things for like Gnome itself. Install Debian, install Ubuntu. Why would you do that? I don't know. There's a reason for it. I'm pretty sure. Quick disk, laptop modes, laptop mode tools. Interesting. NVIDIA X server, whatever the hell that is. Phone manager. Buddy, of course. Very curious if that Razer thing works because I have a Razer mouse. Wait, yeah, I have a Razer mouse connected to it right now. Space FM software updaters. Install available updates. Yeah, there's a ton of things in here. It's just that what are you gonna use? VirtualBox, Virtual Machine Manager. I was trying to see if I can actually connect to my server using the Virtual Machine Manager, because I think I'm using KDE if I'm not mistaken. Let me see what I'm using. Oh, it's KVM. I remember now. And that's actually something I'm gonna do later on. I'm gonna try to build like a little server farm. Well, yeah, like a couple of servers here on Windows, so I can show you some of the cool things that we could do. Because I have a VM here. I just haven't built it out, and I really want to build one. I actually might use my PC to do it with VMs. To do some testing with Windows Admin Center and stuff like that, because that's the stuff that is gonna be the next deal. Because like I'll do like a little Windows course on that later on, but running Windows, you know what? I should probably change. There we go. Running Windows now running the remote access tools, it's kind of old school now. Should really be using web UIs and just stuff like that. So that's something I want to do probably next week. Maybe I'll do that. And then start tinkering around with setting up, like, I'm going to probably just set it up Hyper-V on my machine here. And set up like two or three servers in here and join them to a domain and all that fun stuff. That's something I really, really want to tinker with. Oh, geez, I got the hiccups. Yeah, she got games in. They got games and stuff in here. Cheferino. Save the cows! I love some of the names on these things. Connectogram, wireframe construction, crossfire client. Like some of these games, I'm just curious. I'm like, oh, see, Dolphin emulator. What's the difference between this one and this one? Dolphin emulators, developers. This was updated last month. What about the other one? Oh, it might be just two packages that are dependent on each other. Let's install it. Dope Wars, seriously. DOSBox. This is useful if you want to emulate some really old games. Now, obviously, they have like Steam and stuff like that. Wait, did I just see Final Fantasy? Oh, Fightcade. Disable game launcher for GNOME. Look at all these GNOME stuff. Gravitation. Well, there's some things you can find here for free, which is kind of cool. Okay, so here's the things that I want to see, like Postman. So Postman's a tool to use API development. We actually use this a lot at work. Very useful. Obviously, Visual Studio Code is like my go-to for some of the stuff that we do. Now I'm gonna show you something really cool if I can. VS Code. Let me see if I can even connect it, unless I have to set something up here. Close workspace. No, I don't want to save my config file. Okay, so can I connect to here? And did my music finish? It did finish. Okay, this one's good. It's like an hour worth of music later. There we go. So let me see if I can connect to this. I need to get the IP address. I don't know if I have OpenSSH set up. No, I do not. So we need to open up SSH, which why would you do this? But whatever, I guess. In this case, it doesn't make sense. Hey, what's going on, DK? We're talking about Linux, man. I installed PopOS on an old laptop that I have here. So on Tuesday, I set up. We actually went through and set up. Well, not set up, but we went through 3 different distros and loaded up all the 3. We did Elementary OS, we did PopOS, and then we did Linux Mint. And so far, PopOS has been the one that's been the most user friendly. So I was just talking a little while ago that we're gonna I might do like a Windows admin series on Twitch, like on how to. I have a big dot. Your monitor. They're G5 27s, and I'm actually going to record a video this weekend on it. So. So here's the thing. I've been lacking on this. I have the video, like the whole thought process. No, they're G5s. Yeah, G. Damn it! Now you got me guessing. Hold on. I think they're G5s. I'm pretty sure they're G5 27s. I'm gonna have to look up my order. You got me second guessing now, man. Jeez. How's everything with you, bro? It's been a while. I figured that you've been super busy. Why are my emails taking forever? Thank you. Samsung. Yeah, they're Samsung Odyssey G5. Yep. G5 curves. And I'm gonna make a video. I already have the. Oh, dude, I never have Discord open. I need to actually be more. I need to be on Discord more often. I don't have time. I'm swamped with work. So much crap going on. Whatever. Okay, so that's the part that I'm gonna talk about. So I edited 2 videos, I think, and I did it on my Mac, which I haven't booted in forever. I still have it, like the hard drive disconnected. The curve, on the contrary, I like it. I'm gonna talk about it in the video on how like my productivity has changed, and I'm actually gonna show it with the desk because now I got myself a new chair. I got a couple of new things here set up, and I'm going to be tweaking my desk a little bit sometime this week or next week, maybe next week. And yeah, there's a lot of things that I'm gonna be talking about in that video, and I hope to actually get it done this weekend. Hopefully to post it like around sometime next week. I don't know when. Okay, so the G5, the one that I have, the colors are pretty good, but it's a VA panel, not an IPS. So colors are not as accurate as an IPS panel would be. But the curve, it's a matter of getting used to. Really, it's just a matter of getting used to. The first few weeks, I was like, okay, this thing's annoying. But now I got it to a point that it is perfectly eye level. I have to adjust it a little bit more because I think it's a little too low. And it's probably because I got the new chair. I need to adjust it to tilt up a little bit, maybe bring it up a little bit more. But the curve, I'm never gonna go away from it anymore. It is literally I'm looking straight at the middle, and I can do this without a problem. It's not like I have to do like this or like that with a flat panel, because with a flat, you have to kind of go from here to here. Well, you can't see it, but you have to go from here to here, and you have to kind of like scan yourself. With this, it's just immersive. which I need to, yeah, I need to fix my adjust my panels here. But I'm gonna be doing something with the camera hopefully soon, so that I can have it mounted for sure, because right now it's hanging on the light and it's bad. I need to put it somewhere. And then I want to scoot it a little bit more to my left, so I can have it more of a more off-centered approach, because I have a little bit off-center, but I want to get it more so I can tilt it more. Yeah, dude, you have no idea. Color accuracy, look, if you're gonna go color accurate, you're gonna want to go really expensive Samsung monitors. Like there's no going around it, for sure. But the thing is that if you're gonna start early content creation, I wouldn't focus too much on color grading or anything. I rarely, if anything, color grade. Like my first video, I didn't color grade. My second one, I color graded a little bit because I had a lot of blowout from the back of from like the lights of my, from behind me from the windows. But, oh God, shut up. No, I don't even want to talk about Doge anymore. I think it's been at 20-25 cents the entire time. I'm still waiting for that thing to pop. Like it did last year that it popped up? Oh, dude, I don't even want to know. You let me see, because you've been doing the trading, like that sell high, buy low. You probably made like well, you know what? You made that up with AMC though, right? You made that up with AMC easily. Ooh. Yeah, like I'm kicking myself a little bit for selling, but whatever. It is what it is. Who's gonna know this thing was gonna go that high? Whatever. So yeah, I think one of the things that I was, ooh, that's good. And I haven't even touched my stocks since I moved. I haven't even looked at Robinhood. All I know is that I'm still getting my dividends every once in a while, and that's it. I haven't even looked at it. I'm afraid to look at it, especially this past week. So I'm trying to see what we can do with this today. Obviously we can do maybe something with Python. Maybe we can do something like some simple shell scripting. But I don't know. Like, I'm trying to think of what we can do with this today. You know what? Let me see. I need to install Python. So first things first. I can't type. You would think that it's just here in the what is this? Oh, Newegg. Newegg is phishing me. Dude, I stopped looking at it. I'm like, you know what? With all the volatility that's been going on, I'm just gonna leave it alone. It's going to go up eventually. This is now a long-term play, no longer short-term. So where, this thing has a Python installed, right? Let's see. I can't type. Yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing my dividends, and it's automatically reinvesting. I'm not even looking at it. I'm gonna wait 3 years, something like that, because this is not gonna make me any money in the short term. right now, and the stocks are not gonna make you money. You gotta go with good ETFs or good mutual funds. So I'm gonna do this old school. Sudo apt install python 3. Hell yeah. Dude, if freaking Doge goes up, let me see how many I have. I think I have like 34. Like something stupid. Something like it's not enough to make a significant like dude, it's at 17. This is ridiculous. Look at this. They're all freaking red. All right, so I have 34 Dogecoin. If that thing hits $100, I'm happy. If it ever reaches that, but that's why I'm just gonna leave it alone. If it hits $1, I'm happy, man. I made $38. But I do have Python installed. So let's go home. Jesus, just hold it, man. Just hold it. This is gonna be those hodls. Okay, so let's go here. Oh, you know what? There's a mouse without borders thing. Do they have a Linux version of it? Yes, they do. Okay. Give me a second. Because I am not going to be going back like this and like this. No, I'm going to be doing this smart. So... yeah, dude, right now with everything that's stock, just literally just leave it alone. If you haven't pulled out your money, leave it alone, because eventually, and I'm talking about 5+ years, it's gonna go up, and that's when you'll make your money back. Okay, I'm looking in the wrong place for this. Dude, do it. It's probably the smartest thing you'll do. Let me see if I can get... Let me see if I can get this mouse without borders alternative here and working. Give me a second. I have no idea. Oh, I don't know if they're still on the crypto stuff, but no, everybody's good at the office, man. Everybody's good. We've been going crazy with the office move that finally happened. Share this computer. Yes. Allow. Okay. Yeah, with everything else that's been going on, we're just waiting for the rest of the equipment to get in. It's with the silicon shortage, everything is freaking backed up till next year. Can you believe that? Oh, well, I wonder. Oh, dude. Yeah, look. And I have a lot more up here. Now, I can't say that they make me crazier. The beautiful things that they're like, I get to see them every day. Like, I'm spending the entire day with them. Yeah. What do you think? No. Like, I have more here. I have more. I've become saltier more than pepper. Oh, plus the hat look makes me look good on camera. All right, let me see if I can find this. Let me see. How do you search? Search is here. Barrier. Aha. So touch isn't as touch as supposed to be. Look. You can't see, but I'm touching the screen and it's not scrolling. Aha. Nice try. So, oh, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Arch, Fedora, Gentoo, Homebrew, Kali, Manjaro, Open. Where's Debian? I know I saw it here. Deepin, Debian, Unstable. So technically it's okay. So this tool that I'm using, it's called Barrier. Let me pull it up here. All right, and this is like a mouse without borders open source alternative, and I'm trying to find out how to install it. These are all the compile stuff. Alright, so I just have to install Barrier. So I could just do sudo apt install Barrier, right? Yeah, that's small. Cool. That's it. Why isn't it in this? Okay. This is the part where Linux is the thing that drives me nuts. Where Linux is good is that openness. What's stupid is when you try to find something, you can't find it. Okay, I want to use my other computer. All right, I'm just gonna hide this for obvious reasons. Start. Configure. Has it picked up yet? I should probably put my switch. Oh, whatever. Stop. Yeah, so now this thing's all hung up. I have to wait now. I've actually updated this app. It's pretty cool. Nice. So I have it set to auto config. Hopefully it just picks it up. Yeah, I have the firewall turned off. Okay, so Newegg. I hate it when Newegg sends me stuff, and I'm already itching to do something new. You see, this is it. 12 terabyte Western Digital Red. $239. 12 terabytes. I want. $47 for 2 terabytes. Western Digital. Oh, that's Seagate Barracuda. Okay, no. Close that away. That gets dangerous really quick. Okay. Why isn't this working? Come on. Start. This is taking forever to load. I wonder if I need to connect. I probably have to connect the switch. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna probably lose connection for a minute here. Okay, I should be back. Yep, I'm back. Hello? Check 2? Yep, there we go. Okay, so I'm good. All right, so let's see if this thing worked now. Reload. And start. This thing's not working. Why? You know probably why, because I need to do this. That's exactly what I need to do. Hey, look at that. So check this out. Check what out? There's nothing on the screen. There. So now I can move. Yay. Okay, so I don't want to see the launcher. I want to show my apps. There we go. Okay. Well, this is going to be very sensitive. Let's go ahead and create a new file. Let me try to do something interesting here. This is going to block some stuff. Whatever. Yep, well, that's going to be there. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and let's set up some Python. All right, so the other thing I want to do is remote. Remote containers, remote SSH, edit config, remote development. That's fine. Boop. Okay. I should be able to do this. Python. Don't I have to put this in quotes? I do, because it's a string. And then if I do run, hey, my switch stopped buzzing. That's right, I need to save it. So let's save that to documents. That's probably not gonna run. Hello world. Hello Python. Run Python file. Ah, you see? I need to save it as something else. Save as Python. Whatever. Very, very creative. If I run it, hello world. Hi Python. Then I want to see if I can do PowerShell, because that's where my bread and butter is at. I think I can install. No, it's already asking me to install PowerShell. But it's just in the little corner right here. Install PowerShell on Linux, on Debian, because this is Debian based. Oh, I need to do all of this. So, boom, paste all of this, and then go. Type in my password. All right, so I'm in Python. I'm in PowerShell. Wrong window. Let me see. What can I do? What's the most basic command I can do? Take a show process? No, that's not a command. Jesus. Oh. Test net connection. Why doesn't do that? Doesn't do that. I can't even speak today. Jeez. This is Debian what? It doesn't say. Whatever. That's fine. Yeah, so why isn't this working? Because it's power 7 poly. Let's see what they updated it to. Where is it? Yeah, so this is it. Why is it in Spanish? Why is this in Spanish? There you go. Oh, maybe it's because it's... What are the chances of this thing being case sensitive because it's Linux? How do you open PowerShell? PowerShell? No. Wow, that's interesting. So how do you launch PowerShell? All right. Launch PowerShell in Linux. So that's exactly what I did. You open up the terminal. And, oh, because I'm already there. Derp, no. You just type in PowerShell, right? Let's just relaunch it. Am I typing something wrong? I don't get it. So what the hell did I do? PowerShell 7? PowerShell? PowerShell? Exit. What the heck? New terminal. I want to add. Oh, because you have to use the acronym. All right, so let's go test net. The import module. That's right. Test Linux. Alright, so let's try this one. Paste. Get command test connection. Get command. Wow, it's not even there. So what the heck? PS version table. I'm in the wrong place. Or 1.7. What the heck? 7.2. So does this exist or not? This is weird. What happened here? New file. So let's just make this PowerShell. Test net connect. Is this thing like just acting screwy or something? What the hell? I have... Well, that's pretty cool. So, what the heck? That color theme is on. Do I just need to relaunch it? I might need to relaunch it, but then why wouldn't this one work? Oh, Linux. You're doing it again. Hey, Cosmic, how you doing? Yep. Doing a little series on things that you can do with Linux, and later on I'm gonna start doing some Windows stuff. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. I'm trying to figure out why my most basic PowerShell command does not work in Linux when I have PowerShell installed. It's not. Hi. I'm not working on streaming. Oh, your Wii U's not working? Okay. Ah, Jesus. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so why isn't this... Do I need to install a module? Let's do that. Install... Oh, wrong place. Module NuGet. Let's see what happens. Maybe this is what I needed to do. Yes. Import module NuGet. Okay, so maybe it's working. Nope, it's not working. Okay. Alright, fine. Screw it. I wanted to do this with PowerShell. Nope, do not save. Nope, do not. Cool. Alright, so what's the other thing that we can do here? Oh, of course, we can just install Docker. And I think this is the same thing as Debian. Yep. Install Docker. Let's see. Da-da-da-da. Okay, so there's a bunch of dependencies. Okay, so Docker on Linux. Install Docker Engine Ubuntu. Uninstall old versions. Yeah, these are all the dependencies. So let's go in here. Pasta. Password. All right, cool. Add this, which is the GPG key for Docker. I don't know what the hell that is. GPG. Whatever. And then install Docker Engine. Yeah, I figured this is it. I did this already before. So paste that. Boom. What? Oh, because I didn't add this one. Paste. Update. Install. Where's the install? I didn't add this one right here. Okay, there we go. I need to set it to stable. That's what it was. Alright. Hey, look at that. So now verify that Docker is running. And that is as simple as doing docker ps. Sudo docker. So sudo system. A system service docker start. And system docker status. Service. Duh. It's running. So docker ps. Sudo docker ps. Ah, so I need to sudo. Okay, clear. Alright, so let's do docker run hello world. And there we go, we got Docker. Hey. So where's that thing called Portainer? Install Portainer. Standalone with Linux. Docker volume. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna do a Docker volume, and then we're gonna run on this. Yep, that seems right. And then, okay, so we are running on 8,000. So go here. Localhost 8,000. Oh, that's right. I need to go to 9,000. 8,000 is the listening port for the container. Docker ps docker logs portainer. So it is 8,000, not 9,000. Did I not? No, I did publish the ports, didn't I? Yeah. Ports 8,000, 8,000, 94. Let me try 9443. 9443. Advance, accept the risk. There we go. Oh, they've actually added some new features to this. This is pretty cool. All right, so I want to add my own local here. This is okay. So this is install the Portainer agent on my local. But I already have the Portainer agent, don't I? Let's try it. Paste. This is, oh yeah, I figured that's for Swarm. So API Pocket. Localhost. I can't type. I cannot type. Localhost. Connect. And then finish. I already have local installed. Whoops. Can I not delete this one? Oh yeah, it's under here, registries. Not registries, it's under environments. You can go in here, you can remove this one. Boom. So here we go. We got containers. Yep, that's the first one. That's the hello world, which I can delete. And I want to remove that. And bada boom, we have containers. So now this is the part that I like the most. I need to install Docker Compose. Docker Compose on Linux. I think that's a separate install, unless they started packaging it recently. On Linux. And then chmod. Now technically I can do Docker Compose. Yep, cool. This is where the fun begins. So let me add an extension to help with Docker. Actually, I don't need to install an extension because it's a YAML file. But this makes life a little easier. That's Docker files. We're not building a Docker file yet. Docker compose services. You know what? We don't need any of this. So we're going to start off new file. It's going to be a YAML. And then, if I'm not mistaken, Docker compose. I think we can start off with this. Yep. So version is, I can't click type here. There we go. Version is 3.9. Services. And the first one's going to be Portainer. All right. And then you know what? I should pull up mine because mine has all of this. Remote Exploder. And I'm not going to show my compose because it actually has sensitive information in there. Open file, and I want to open my Docker compose. Okay, cool. Okay, so what I'm going to set up is a simple MySQL. Copy. And then we're gonna put this. So the thing about YAMLs, you gotta make sure that they're formatted properly. So let me do that. Let me find my Portainer. Okay, image, container name. Actually, I think I just put all of this in there. I get used to this. Okay. So, and then I need to add the volumes here. MySQL, and then I need Portainer data. Right? Yep, that's it. And then password is going to be MySQL 123, whatever, simple. Okay, so this is going to do something really, really simple. So these are, well, this is my Docker version. It really doesn't matter anymore. Actually, it's completely optional as of, what was it that document said? 3.7, 3.8? Oh, 127. Never mind. It's, well, yeah, it's not, this line is not required anymore. You know what? I gotta stop moving this. Lock it. Okay. And then services are the actual containers that you're going to be building. So this one is going to be Portainer. So everything here. Why isn't this breaking it down? Hold on. I think something's not parsed properly here. I'm supposed to break it down right here, and it's not doing it. Problems. No problems have been detected. Okay, that's fine. So, exit. Okay, so I need to create a new terminal here. So this can go away and this can go away. I need a new terminal. That's going to be bash. Good. All right, so we have a container for Portainer. No pun intended. So let me just remove this. ps sudo so docker ps docker ps r docker rm-f container. So I'm just gonna remove the containers. So I type in docker ps. We got nothing. All right. So what I do, if I want to do all these containers, I can just do something like this. Create like a little script or a little file here that lets me do everything that I need to do on my container, on my containers. Save. And then I'm just gonna name it docker-compose.yaml. Yep. And let's leave it on home. No, desktop. Save. So now I move to my desktop and I do docker-compose. Cool. And boom. Now we got it. Image must be a mapping, not a string. So what changed? So, aha, I see what happened here. All of this is not parsed properly. Now it is. See? Syntaxing is huge in YAML. So we're gonna do save. I'm gonna try this again. There it is. So now what it's doing, it's downloading the containers. It's like it's actually downloading the containers. So it's gonna say done when the database is done. And then we're gonna do docker compose up -d. -d means it's gonna detach the console. And then bada bing, bada boom. It creates a network, creates a volume, it creates MySQL, and then creates Portainer. But now if I do docker PSA, well, docker just PS, I have a database. Well, you know what? I should probably install MySQL Workbench. Let me see if we have it here, MySQL. They should have it MySQL in here. I guess not. So we got to download it. MySQL Workbench. I wonder if there's a Linux version of it. Pretty sure there is. Ubuntu Linux. There we go. Debian package. No thanks. Just start my download. I want to save it. That sounded pretty cool. Oh, you hear that? Okay, so now we're gonna install it. CD downloads. Sudo apt install. I forgot Linux. Sudo apt install MySQL Workbench. Maybe it is already there. As unmet. What the heck? To install. Good night, Chuchi. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning. And where is my MySQL? MySQL Workbench. Jesus. It requires for Linux. Save password. Using apt. Oh, I have to add this. Boom. Paste. Oh, forgot this. Do not remove, do not add that. And I need to boot up the music again. Copy. Paste. I'd rather have the way that. Wait, what is this? Wait a second. Did I just did wrong, didn't I? RM sudo. There. Sudo dpkg Mysql. Sudo apt get install MySQL workbench community. Oh, Jesus. Sudo apt get update. Oh, Linux. All right, let me fix the music. Let's put something more upbeat, shall we? This is upbeat. Hip hop. Oh, these are hype tracks. Let's see. Blah 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 blah. Jungle drum and bass? Nah, that's not too much. How about this one? Electronica. Yeah, I'll take this one. There we go. My goodness. Okay, so I am not following instructions here. Install the MySQL apt repository described in da. Okay. Install MySQL. Set for fresh. Okay, that's probably why. Sudo dp. I can't type today. I need to do a -I. There we go. What? Okay, so let's follow the instructions. Go to the download page from Microsoft. Okay, copy address, and we're gonna go. Repository setup. My goodness. Why wouldn't that happen? Why wouldn't that be done set automatic? Or not automatic, but why? See, these are the things about Linux that makes Windows and Mac look so freaking good. So I'm gonna do sudo dpkg because that's what it says here. Sudo dpkg I, the name of the file. We're gonna name it MySQL apt config. Now we unpack it. So yes, we are on. Database is not supported MySQL. Be the powerful one. It is. I forgot which version this thing's running on. So new window. So this is cat ATC OS release. Ubuntu Debian. Ubuntu Debian. That's Buster. Bionic. Whatever. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so now technically I can do this. Okay, so what Linux needs to figure out, and this is on all these people and all these companies that want to make freaking Linux the de facto, but they want to make the fact of getting this to work a lot easier. Because everybody wants to have their own repo with apt and this, but they don't want to publish it. Why? Why don't they want to publish? Why don't they want to add this specific file to the repository? Why? Why do they make art that stupid? Because you see, all of this just to do this. Wait, what the hell happened here? It's not available, but it's referred by another package. Maybe the package is missing. So, okay, first let's clear sudo apt get update. All right, and just to do due diligence. Okay, what's AP? What's upgradable? Okay, whatever. So first of all, we probably need to add more stuff in here. APT should not be used. Is deprecated. Whatever. So look, apt install MySQL Workbench community. Package missing obsolete. So now, what if I do this? Sudo apt get install the MySQL. What do I have here? Workbench community. This. I have the freaking package. Apt fix broken. Yeah, fix your stupidity. Okay, so technically it worked, so I just removed it. I'm gonna update one more time. You know what? Let me just patch these two. Just in case. Makes no sense, but let's see. And now we're gonna go install MySQL Workbench community. Why? Huh? Why? Linux, please. Windows was just, hey, I want to get the application? Sure. Wait, where's my back? There it is. Okay, I honestly think that this is just like other programmers to spite other programmers. Why would they make this any easier? Select Ubuntu. Select OS version 2110. Right? Maybe I downloaded the wrong one. That could be me. But still, why wouldn't it be there? Save. Okay, so that red needs to go. Sudo apt install MySQL workbench community 8. Okay, because I forget Linux. Sudo apt. You know what? Maybe it's sudo apt get. I don't get it. I really don't get it. What? How difficult is it to install MySQL Workbench? Oh wait, this is to install MySQL, not Workbench. Okay, you can use apt2 to install an individual component. Oh, God. Okay. Let's do this. Studio. Browser. Let's go down this rabbit hole. Right? Alright, so let's go to the beginning. Step 1. Adding the MySQL apt. Go to the download page for the MySQL apt report. Select and download the release of your Linux. Install the download release package with the following command, replacing version-specific package name with the name of the download preceded by its path. You're not running the command. Okay, I did that. During the installation, we have to choose version of MySQL servers. For example, MySQL Workbench that you want to install. If you're not sure which, do not change the default option. You choose none if you don't want a particular. You can always change your choices later. See major release. Okay, let's do that. Because that's probably what I need to do now. Because I probably picked the wrong one. Alright, let's try this. Sudo apt get install MySQL Workbench community. I forgot to do update. Okay, so here's another question that I have. What's the difference between sudo apt and apt and apt get? What's the difference? So let me do this. dpkg remove SQL apt config. Okay, so remove Really? This is how stupid it is? Add apt repository, remove PPA Mysql apt. Is that what's called apt config? cd cd downloads. Seriously, like I don't get it. I just don't. apt config, yeah. So let's get this straight. For me to remove an apt package, I had to go to add apt after apt or apt repository, then add a double dash remove. And I don't even know if this is gonna work. Sudo add apt repository. Did I spell? I did spell something wrong. I don't get it. I don't get it. List. Okay, so it says here, you need to know the exact PPA name. You could use a command in the following manner. If most likely you've added a PPA using add apt repository, you can use the same command to remove the PPA as well. Just give it the remove option. Let me just remove this. Okay, so what command did I did? Anyway, so here's a trick. History, grep, mysql apt config. So those are all the commands that I've done with that file. So if I do dpkg --help, should tell me how to remove it. Pre-include, ignore, log status, force, no force, comparison. I want to remove, build, context control, info. Here we go. Wait, yeah, here we go. So we're looking for -r. So I can just do, look at those, do the history again. So this is the command that I did, right? Copy, paste, pick up that. Oh, Jesus. PKG. Now I could just do -r. What? Okay, fine. How stupid is that? What makes sense now? But no, you can't use the file, by the way. So we're gonna go use this, and now we're gonna reinstall it again, because that thing asks us a question. And now it doesn't want to do it. Okay, now we have to run. Okay, now sudo apt get update, right? Perfect. So far we're good. We're in the clear. Sudo apt, Jesus, I can't type. Sudo apt get install MySQL Workbench, right? Maybe I'm doing something wrong. No, I'm copying and pasting. Alright, so let's do the dependency. Dependency works fine. Installing MySQL from source. I just found it. Hold on. I just found this. Why is it somewhere down here? Why? Right? I feel like I'm playing like an NES game or something like that. I like it though. Okay, so let's do this -f. Nothing to do. Okay, seriously. You see the name of the package installed with MySQL. Okay, let's do this. Let's just rip everything apart. Let's just take this out. Sudo. Okay, hold on. I'm in the wrong place. Sudo dpkg-r. MySQL common. Okay, so apt config, rip everything out, update. I think there was a command that you can do. Sudo apt get auto remove, I think it is. There you go. So. Steps for a fresh install of MySQL. Adding the MySQL apt repository. First, add the MySQL apt repository. Go to the download page. Select the download and release package of your SQL. It's Ubuntu Debian. I already have that. Install the download and release package with the following command, replacing version-specific package name with the name of the download package. Preceded by its path, you're not running. Note that the same package works on all supported Debian. During installation, you'll be asked to choose a version of MySQL and other components. I wonder... I wonder. Installing MySQL on Pop OS. MySQL Workbench. And all of this is just install MySQL Workbench. The stupidest thing in the world. Okay, so you can see what I'm saying. Okay, I downloaded. Okay, this is there, right? Yeah. MySQL. So I'm gonna go. Sudo apt install MySQL apt config. It matches. Right? That's set to 8, enabled and disabled. Okay. Download is performed on sandbox's root as file. Couldn't be accessed by user apt. Okay. Okay. Try it now. Wait. But it couldn't install it. Okay. Let's try it. Removing again. And then let's install it again. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Give me an error again. Download is performed on sandbox as root. Permission denied. So I have to run this as a user? Okay. That makes even more sense. Seriously. So we're gonna do this again. We're gonna do sudo dpkg-i MySQL apt, my password. Okay, that is correct. Look at that. It gave me it didn't give me an error. So sudo apt update. I read the command. Now it's giving me all the information. Okay. Right? apt. Now install MySQL Workbench Community. Okay. Maybe it's under apt-get. All right. Continue running. Continue reading. What happens if I just do this? Install MySQL using dev packages. Yes, and this one, I want to do that. I want to do that. So maybe I can do that. Sudo apt install MySQL Workbench. Yeah, I tried that already. Some packages are gonna be installed. This may mean you haven't requested an impossible situation. I'm just trying to install MySQL Workbench. Yeah, seriously. I have a solution for this. Install Windows. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so I did do something different that nobody has mentioned before. It asked me something about which version of Ubuntu. So I need to remove that line because it's picking up that. Let me try this. Sudo dpkg-r mysql apt config. It was not config, it was oh, it is config. Sudo apt update. Okay, so I think there's something inside of the etc folder that I need to see. cd MySQL. Here it is. Cat mycnf. So what I'm gonna do is going to rm-rf MySQL. No, I cannot, because my Docker is pointing to that, I think. No, it's not. Sudo docker. It's pointing to it. It has its own volume, right? I could tell that really quick. Hello. Refresh. Oh, that's right. I had to reload this page. Okay, fine. Maximize. To show how easy Linux is. And it's proving me wrong. Okay, so that's not doing anything. I'm a masochist, bro. Don't you know that? Okay, so that's it's. Yeah, I can do this. rm-rf MySQL sudo. You don't have to agree so quickly now. Yeah, this is just like now. This is just to prove a point. cd downloads. Okay, so I want to do this again. Sudo pkg-i mysql apt config. Oh, that's right. Sudo dpkg. That's not doing it. Where is it? Okay. So there's an error message for this one. MySQL install on pop OS asking version of Debian. Oh yeah, I guarantee it. Oh yeah, I guarantee that's gonna happen. It will. It will. Because, you know, that's how it works. But why would... This is the part where it frustrates me. Where someone that's experienced, like I have some experience with Linux, with different flavors of Linux, that runs into this stupid, simple issue. Why? Why would this happen? Dude, you have no idea how much truth there is in that statement you just put. Another update. I ended up downloading dbeaver and it works on Pop. So guess what? We're going to the Pop store. I bet you anything that this will take me 2 minutes. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. Wow, it's installing. This is Oracle. This is straight up Oracle being total douchebags about how they want to get their applications published. This is it. This is what it is. This is companies wanting to screw over the open source, stating, hey, by the way, we're using open source, but they're making your life as difficult as possible for no reason. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and launch this. Yes. Okay, so look. Hey, there's more updates. You know what? I'm not gonna even bother doing the updates. Close. And I'm gonna go ahead and here you go. No, I don't want to create a sample database. I want to connect. And I want to connect to MySQL, not Postgres here. MySQL. Next. Oh my god, this is so freaking simple. The database is, I don't have a schema, so my password is password? You know what? I don't remember my password, so that's why you have it here on MySQL 123. So, MySQL 123. It doesn't matter. Test connection. Bet you anything, it's gonna work. Download. Yeah. Wow! A freaking application that knows what the hell it's doing. Connection refused. That's probably fine. Probably had to type in root. Details. Bet you anything that this is an SSL. Nope. Properties. Nope. Nope. Okay, so now this is a MySQL thing. Dashboard. Okay. Localhost 9000. Host 9000. Wait, why? I know what I did. I know what I did, and I did something wrong because I did it specific to my configuration. So here you need to do this. Because it was remapping the ports. This is because I did something different to my setup here. So I'm gonna save here. Save. Beautiful thing about Docker. You do this. Docker compose up -d. And it's going to relaunch those two containers with the settings from this file. And now, if I do sudo docker ps, it shows up with the right ports. There are 3306. And now, if I open up this, it's going to test it. Unknown, yeah, I don't have a schema here, so test, and it's going to be okay. Look at that. Finish. Databases. So let's go ahead and create a schema. Oh, wrong button. Create a new database. Test. Look at that. It took me more time to try to install MySQL Workbench than have it here on my machine. I mean, like, be able to find another one, launch it, set it up, connect to it, troubleshoot my freaking Docker container, and then to connect to it and create a schema. This is an Oracle. This is Oracle itself, because Oracle makes MySQL. They just make it open source. But this is the ridiculousness of how stupid. It's ridiculously stupid. So I'm gonna connect on my machine here. I'm gonna download MySQL Workbench for Windows, because actually I need it for myself anyways. And I just redid my machine. This is stupid. Now watch. I'm gonna go ahead and connect really quick to it. MySQL connections. What's this IP address? I put poop OS. And guess what? I think this one actually points to it. Look. I'm in it. Schemas. And that's the one I just created right now. This is a Linux thing, but this is more of a developer thing. This is Oracle being stupid. This is Oracle that is just, they're literally playing the, oh yeah, I'm being good for developers and I'm open sourcing, but no, they make their crap so freaking difficult. I spent literally the last hour trying to freaking get MySQL Workbench. And for what? Why? Whatever. So the other cool thing is I can actually do this. Oh, wrong button. I could have just done this the entire time. I just go in here, add a little plus, add a little plus, am I missing something? Okay, I probably need to close and reopen this thing. That or it won't let me have more than one connection open? There. All right, it's launching. Okay, connected. Hello. Look at that. Localhost. User is root. Password. Yes, that's the port. Whatever. Look at that. I'm connected. Guess what? It's gonna be there. Boom. I can start. Oh god. This. Yeah. I'm done ranting. I'm done ranting about Oracle. This is the stupidest thing in the world. So I literally spent an hour just trying to get a freaking simple, extremely simple, application installed called MySQL Workbench for MySQL. It took me more time to explain how Docker works, how to install a package, how to set up all of that stuff, and then to get MySQL installed and set up. I mean, MySQL Workbench set up and installed. Why? This is the part that just stupid. It's stupid. It's ridiculous. It's moronic. It should have never happened. Never, ever worked. And the part that it's even more frustrating is that this is an open source software. This is a software that's run daily on Linux. Okay, now Workbench maybe not so much, but come on. I don't get it. I just don't. Oh, I can't even log into my freaking game either. Yeah, login server down. Beautiful. I can't even log in. So yeah, welcome to the stream of frustration with Linux. That's why the next stream I'm going to do something with Windows. I'm gonna try to set some stuff up here. I need to do it here, Hyper-V. Hold on. Oh, look at that. I am logged in. Alright, this is gonna be a really short gameplay because I am tired. There we go. I'm pushing close to 4K gear score. No bids? Nope, nothing yet. I'm curious to see. This. See, they're slowly going down. Wow, they've gone down a lot. I can make these are easy. How many of these do I have? Titan steel. Okay, I have enough for one. And I have two, so it'll be three. Yeah, three, and I need for chest. It's 10, I need 8 of these. Or wrist. Then wrist is 8 and 4. I don't even have enough gold for that. Unless I sell all of this. Am I still Serenite in here? Should I sell these 4 stacks? How many of these do I have? I have 40. Yeah, I should just sell these 5 stacks and call it a day there. 5 stacks. Yeah, these sell pretty good. So 5 stacks of these. Make what? Auctions. 74 times 5. That is 350 gold. Then I can probably sell some of this. Oh, these haven't sold much. Then I could probably sell these. I have 20 in the bank. Wow, that's a hell of a match. Yeah, let's just post all of these. Everything must go. I also was gonna create the Titan Steel, the helm. See how much is just one Titan Steel? That's all I need. That's not bad. This will get me up. $310, $271. That's 40. 39. Oh wait, 39 or 40? 30, 30. Yeah, 39. And that will get me up to not much, actually. The wrists are that, or where it's at. Let me see if that's actually gone up. Wrist. 80. It's 6,000 gold. Stupid. Just literally just blow my entire gold on this. Don't need that. Waste. Yeah, I don't think actually I'm in a good spot right now. Just reset. Miscellaneous trinket. I think we're just getting stupid here. I almost bought, what was it? It was oh, this is a new one. That's pretty cool. See, that's a pretty cool trinket right there, but it's small. It's an old one. Here, this one, I almost got this one. Yeah, this is probably one of the best cards out there. Alright, so nothing's changed. Smelt another Titan Steel, and I think I'm just going to call it a night. Put that back, get this. Yeah, throw that back there, throw that. Do I need that? I think I need that actually. One. And then that's that. No, I got everything. Cool. Maybe I can smelt it here. Nope, can't. Ow. Don't care for this. And another Titan steel. $100 in the auction house. Well, it is gonna make me some money. Alright, throw that there, throw that there, throw that there, and there. This one already has another one and another one. Getting so many of these. Save that for now. And this. And this. That can go there, that can go here, and I'll just stash this. And I'll just sell the rest. Donate it, donate it, donate it, donate it. And donate it. How much time do I have till the reset? Probably not enough to run one. Oh, it just expired. So yeah, do that tomorrow. That goes here. I can make the Titan steel threads too. Eat. There was a reason why I didn't do this. It was because not much actually. I have technically all of this. It will put me up to 3,500. Yeah, I need to start. Wait, which is the rough grind that I needed to do? It was the whole deer is not. Well, technically that would have been helping me. The other one. Oh, this one's actually good. Yeah, I need to do this for the inscriptions. Oh, ladies. Oh, that's where these are at. Yeah, these are rare though. I'm curious to see what they have for the Christmas one. Oh, it's a pet. Yeah, I don't think they have it like no, they don't. They don't. Argent tournaments. World bosses, PvP, crafting. Blacksmith. Weapon. Oop. Jeez, I haven't gone through all of this stuff. Badger gel. Oh yeah, that's probably from Burning. Yeah, just Burning Crusade. Dun, 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 dun. 7 and 8. Paladin. Galtasod. Oh yeah, so this is 7, this is 8. Yeah, I should probably start doing some Oldwar, is it? Yeah, Oldwar. Because that other stuff is here. 309. Pally. Yep. 258. And then reputation. Ashen Verdict, I don't have that yet. That's not even open yet. Argent Crusade. I have that one. Knight Blade. Okay, I have these 4. And then Alliance Vanguard doesn't have anything except for this. And that's it. And then do I already have this for my DPS? No, I do not. I need to get it. Okay. And with that, I am going to bed. Good night, everyone.